Page 32, When the Saints Go Marching In. It's just a fun piece to end the book with. Let's look it over. It's a page long. Treble and bass clef signs again. One sharp in the key signature. We're either in the key of G major or E minor, but this happens to be in the key of G major. But do the scales for both E major and G major and E minor. Yeah. 4/4 time signature, and if you look at the first measure, it only has 3 counts in it, so it's a pickup measure. So beat 1 is somewhere else, and it's at the bottom. We have dotted rhythms. Let's keep it dotted, not triplets. So at the beginning, you're here, right hand, 2 E and a 2 E and. And then you have an 8 VA, same notes, but now you just lift up pen. And then 8 VA goes away, second line. And then they want you thumb, and then cross over. And then the next line, they want your third finger again. Yuck. No. Let's fix this. The first 2 measures of the second line is fine. But on the third measure, instead of thumb here, come down and use third. Here, just reach down a little bit. And then it's just 2-1. And then you can cross over for third finger. So I can connect all that very nicely. This, again, the second line, starting with second beat. And then 3, 2, 1. And then cross over to 3. Second line, 2, scrunch up. And then on the B flats, it's a 2, 3. We're just getting ready. We're getting into position. Yeah, that's the right hand. It's really handy if you get to where you can play this without looking at the keyboard. Unless you have to go up an octave. You got to look for that. Left hand, where you hear 1, 2. Same rhythm. Second line, half notes. And then 1, 2. And then cross over. Yuck. Second line, this is kind of awkward, but I can't find a fingering that works. So we just have to do it 2, 2, 1, and cross over. Here. I don't like doing a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, but you have to sometimes. And then the third line, second measure is here. 1 and 2. Then 2. And then come up. And then at the last line. Rhythm. What happened there? The last 2 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2 E and a 3 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. That's how they wanted to end it. Okay, whatever they're drinking, I don't care. Weird. Put the hands together. Well, at the beginning, it's not the same rhythm. You're holding the right hand down, but the left hand's just a quarter note when it plays. The second line. Now here, thumbs. Then lift up. Right there, third line down. Starting with the second beat of the first measure. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Last measure, third line. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just the rhythm gets you. Let's just go over the last line very slowly. Starting with the second beat there. 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And just take it slow and easy. You're trying to get to the point where you're feeling this rhythm, not counting it. You count it at first to get it, and then you gradually speed it up where you can feel it. And then once you have that, in a week or 2 or whatever, get rid of the hesitations, however long it takes, in a month or two or whatever, and then we'll add in the articulation, which staccato, that's fine. But this is connected. This is the third line down, second measure. But the right hand's connected. Now then the staccato, but this is connected. Again. So bounce this around with the staccato going who knows where. Then once I have an idea of the articulation, then I'll think about the dynamics. It goes to the melody for the most part, but the left hand, you can bring that out a little bit. But these half notes, keep those in the background. You know those. Loud the first time, F. There's a repeat sign at the bottom where you go back and play the whole mess again. And the second time you play it soft. P for piano, soft. And then the speed is however fast you can play it accurately, but have fun with it. It's March. 1, 2, 3. If you can't play it that fast, slow down. It's okay. Let's play this together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do louds and softs. I'll do the staccatos, or at least I'll try to. And I'll give us 5 counts because we come in on beat 2. We're going to do it twice because it's repeated. Just real slow. Well, slow for me, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, go.